Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today, we're going to talk about something very special, family.
Yes, family is such an important part of our lives. In this episode, we'll learn how to talk about our family members and describe them in English.
Let's start with how to introduce your family. You can say, there are 4 people in my family.
Or, I have a big family. Then you can talk about who is in your family, like father, mother, brother, and sister.
Here are some simple words for family members. Father or dad, mother or mom, brother, sister, grandmother or grandpa, grandfather or grandpa.
Exactly. For example, I can say, I live with my wife and my son.
And I can say, I live with my parents and my brother.
You can also describe what your family members do. For example, my father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. My sister is a student.
Yes, and you can talk about their personalities too. For example, my dad is funny, or my mom is kind.
That's a great way to share more about your family.
Let's do a short example conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Emily, tell us about your family.
Sure. There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my 2 brothers, and me. My dad is a taxi driver, and my mom is a nurse. My brothers are still in school. We all live together in London. On weekends, we like to watch movies and eat dinner together.
That sounds lovely. My family is smaller. There are 3 people, my wife, my son, and me. My wife works as a designer, and my son is 6 years old. We love going to the park and having picnics on Sundays.
That's so sweet. Family time is really special.
You can also talk about your extended family, like your cousins, aunts, and uncles. For example, I have 2 cousins. My uncle lives in another city. My aunt is very funny.
Yes, you can even say, I visit my grandparents every weekend, or my cousin is my best friend.
These sentences are great for daily conversations about family life.
Let's review some useful phrases from today's episode. There are blank people in my family. I live with my parents. My father is a. My mother works as a. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. We like to.
Excellent. You can use these sentences to describe your family anytime, at school, in interviews, or when meeting new friends.
Now here's your challenge. Try to describe your own family in 5 or 6 sentences. Say who is in your family, what they do, and what you like to do together.
Here's an example. There are 4 people in my family. My father is a farmer, and my mother is a teacher. I have 1 sister. We live in the countryside and like to eat dinner together every night.
That's perfect. Practice this with a friend or record yourself speaking.
That's all for today's episode of Everyday English. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your family.
Next time, we'll talk about hobbies, what you like to do in your free time.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.